Hello everybody. First and foremost, I would like to thanks everybody for watching me. Today I am going to talking about a topics. The topic's name is how personality affect on people. If you want to know how personality affect on people, you have to be know what is the personality. I will give the definition from my perspective. Positive thinking. Positive thinking grow up a strong personality. Behavior also help to make a strong personality. Last thing is attitude. Attitude also define a personality. These three kind of criteria have a person that positive thinking, behavior and attitude. All these criteria makes a good personality. I will make it very easy for understanding. If someone doing good behavior like always good attitude, good thinking and positive thinking, which one effect on your family. So how it is effect if you all the time doing good behavior with your wife, your child, your parents, your neighbor and your relatives, and they are thinking that you are a good person. So in this way we can reflect on others people or other mind. It's not very easy job cause you have to be a good person, then people will follow, otherwise they will not follow you. So if you want to be if you want to effect on the people, you have to be a strong personality. So I will share you how to effect on or influence people. If you want to be influence people, you have to be maintain lot of good behavior and lot of things. First, I would recommend that you have to be hardworking. If you do hard work, and people will really like you, and they will say that he is not lazy person, he is very hardworking boy. Then you have to be maintain your angry. If you become angry, silly matters, people will think that he is a short temper, so they people don't like you. And if you become very cool and calm person, everyone like you and everyone proud of you that he is a man who is always calm and quiet, and people will definitely like you. And next criteria is if you have a wonderful communication skill, people will love you and follow you. In this information world, everyone is very advanced and everyone have to be in your mind good information, and you have to be communication good way that make you good communicator. And there have another characteristic that control reaction. If you want to be a build up a good personality, you have to be a good power of control reaction, because sometimes happen in our life bad and good things. So if you cannot control your reaction, you cannot be a build up a good personality. Like that, I'll give an example. Some people doing misbehave with you, and you will get the reaction and you will slap him. People what will think? He is a very short temper man, he is not good man. If you this situation be calm and quiet, and you will observe the situation, people will follow you and you will be give the you will be the example. Good personality effect on your friends. How it how it does work. I will give an example. If you do good things in your friends group, and they will surprise, he's a man always doing good work, and your friends will be influenced by your good work and self-confidence. If you have enough self-confidence, people will definitely follow you, and they will think that you can do everything by your ability, and you will depend on yourself, not others people. So you have to be must if you want to be influence the other people, you have to be more self-confidence. Self-confidence will be influence the people very positive way. Self-esteem, you have to be respect yourself. Where you are getting respect, you have to be go on in this area, and try to be love younger and respect older. And if you respect older people, they will really oath praise you that you are a good people that always respect the elder. And younger people will uh, respect you. In this way you will love them. So you have to be give respect and love simultaneously. You this act will help you a good personality, and this personality will reflect on older people and younger people. How you always love your younger brother or younger who are a little by you, and they are always observe yourself. Yes, he is a good man, I have to be like him. So in this way you can be influenced very easily. Effect on people mind by your work is not very easy job. You have to be maintain a strong criteria of personality. Then people will follow you and influence by your work. So if you want to be a influencer, you have to be a maintain a good personality. Or you you can be a influencer by bad way. Like if you build up a bad personality, and people will be influenced by your bad personality, they will be the bad. So if you want to be bring out good things, you have to be a good, build up a good personality. So I hope everyone will be a good influencer, and they will be influence the society and effect on the society by strong personality. And thank you, farewell, all the best, and hope I will see you the next presentation video. Thank you so much uh, for watching me.